How to change font size on an Android tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're finding the text too small or too big on your Android tablet, then changing the font size is quick and works on almost every device, including the Xiaomi Pad 7 as well as Samsung, Lenovo and other Android tablets. So the first thing to do is to open up the Settings app from your home screen on your tablet. And once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Personalization. Now, go ahead and tap on Fonts. You'll see a little slider at the bottom of the screen. Just drag it towards the right to increase the size of the text. If you move it to the left, you'll see smaller text. The preview will be at the top. This is how your text will appear. Just make your selection, and after you are done, you can also go ahead and choose this next button and increase or decrease your size of the text and the boldness of the text by dragging the next button. So go ahead and find your preference, and once you are done, you can get back to the home screen. So there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change the font size on any Android tablet. Now your screen should feel much more comfortable and easier to read. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.